Hey guys, today we have Oppo K1, let's unbox it. The Oppo K1 consists of a 6.4-inch AMOLED display with 1080x2340 pixels resolution, a 19.5:9 aspect ratio, and a screen-to-body ratio of 91%. Under the hood, the Oppo K1 comes with a 14nm Qualcomm Snapdragon 660 octa-core processor, clocked up to 2.2 GHz alongside an Adreno 512 GPU. The Oppo K1 comes in two memory configurations, 4GB RAM plus 64GB storage, and 6GB RAM plus 64GB, while storage could be further expanded up to 256GB using a micro SD card. The Oppo K1 will ship with Android 8.1 Oreo-based ColorOS 5.2 out of the box. Oppo, the K1 includes a good camera setup at the rear. There is a 16MP plus 2MP dual camera setup. Let's take a look at some samples. The Oppo K1 features a massive 25MP selfie shooter on the front side, with eye portrait and eye beautification features. As expected, the Oppo K1 features an in-display fingerprint scanner, a feature found in high-end or flagship models from brands. Another feature on the Oppo K1 lets the smartphone be unlocked with a tap. There's also a built-in 4nm sensor under the screen with a 3P lens combination and a micro-lens. Other features include a light sensor, proximity sensor, accelerometer, compass and gyroscope. As for connectivity options, the Oppo K1 includes Wi-Fi 802.121a/b/g/n/AC dual band, Bluetooth 5.0 low energy, GPS with a GPS, GLONASS, and dual 4G VoLTE. Oppo K1 has a long-lasting 3600 mAh capacity battery. However, the Oppo K1 does not come with fast charging support.